Only Indians living in Australia will understand these struggles. And if you know, you know. The first struggle is food, obviously. So when you move here from India, everything tastes different. You start missing simple things like home cooked dal, sabzi, and proper Indian spices. And that moment when you find really good Indian restaurants, you really get excited, but then you realize not every restaurant is actually good. Sometimes you realize you can actually cook better food yourself and also be prepared to gain some weight after moving here because suddenly you start trying out everything out there. The second one is the time zone. When you want to call your family in India, you always have to calculate the time. Sometimes you are free, they are sleeping. And when they call you, you might be at work. So even a simple phone call becomes something you actually have to plan. Another thing only Indians will understand, the weather. I already mentioned the weather struggle in my previous video, but the weather here can still confuse you. In India, we are used to winter, summer, and rainy seasons. But here, you mostly experience winter and summer, although you also get to experience beautiful spring and autumn. And rain, it can happen anytime. One of these struggles is festivals. Back in India, festivals means family, lights, food, and celebrations everywhere. But when you live in abroad, sometimes it feels quiet. Yes, festivals are celebrated here and all festivals are celebrated. But most celebrations happens on weekends. So on the actual festival day, you might still be working. And it does not always feel the same. I personally miss Durga Puja a lot. I do celebrate it here, but it never feels exactly like the puja back home. And even Christmas sometimes feels more vibrant in India. Here, people usually celebrate it with their family quietly. So for us, it's a bit loud, family gathering and music. But these struggles also makes you stronger because living abroad teaches you independence. You can learn how to create own version of your home, and slowly this place that once feels like foreign start feeling like your second home. But if you are an Indian living abroad, you will definitely relate to these things. Follow me for more real experiences of living in Australia. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And comments below which struggle do you relate to the most. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video.